Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to hack Google Chrome home button in Windows 10. So how to hack Google Chrome home button in Windows 10? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the Google Chrome application on your computer. Well, this is on the initial display of Google Chrome. Here it is already on the initial display of the Google Chrome application. I will make the home button to YouTube. Just point the cursor to the top right of the screen. Here there is a three-dot icon. And tap. Then a scrolling menu will appear. And select the Settings menu. Well, here you are already in the Settings menu. Here there are many menu options that you can use to manage your Google Chrome. Tap the Appearance menu. Well, in the Appearance menu here, activate Show Home button. Well, here two options will appear. Tap Custom Web Address and type for example youtube.com, tap Enter. Let's try it right away. I will open a new tab. And here I will try to tap on the Home button. Well, here it will automatically go to YouTube. So that's it, tutorial how to hack Google Chrome home button in Windows 10. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.